Hey everyone. Okay, so I have two unboxings today. The Stamps of Life and Felicity Jane. So let's see what we get with Stamps of Life. I don't even know what we got this month. Oh, it's a little basket. Oh, how cute. So I get the stamp and die club of the month, and that comes with the stamp and the matching die set. She has a card kit, but that's not for me. So, but this is $25 and you get both of these. That's cute. I like it. I like her stuff. Her stuff is cutesy and I love cutesy. Okay, Felicity Jane finally is back in business. They were not shipping for a while there because of all the problems with getting their product and stuff. So that was stinky because I love their stuff. Their stuff is all exclusive, and that's really cool for me. I like exclusive stuff. We have washi tape, and then I always sift through this really well because sometimes you have those little containers and they get lost in here and you're liable to throw them away if you're not careful. So these are so this month's theme is Margot. Is it Margot? Margot? Is that how you pronounce it? It's spelled weird, so I'm not sure. But these are the library pockets. Very cute. And you get a stamp set. This kit is I want to say 40 something odd dollars, maybe $45, $46. I don't remember, but it comes out the 28th of every month. These are vellum numbers, and so it's a little easier on me at the end of the month instead of at the first, so I am not positive. I used to know, but now I don't. Die cut shapes. Then you get little, oh, what are these, little pom-poms? Oh, these are little pom-poms, I think. Oh, see, they put them in an envelope instead of a little container. See, I love these little clips that you get. And then the pom-poms are super cute. They're matching pom-poms. Can you guys see that? Fun. I love that. Okay, and then you get a chipboard alphabet set. And I like when they come with numbers because I'm a project lifer and I use the numbers. So when they don't have numbers, it's kind of sad. So let's see. I don't have any nails. So let's see what else we got. Yeah, I think we got it all. And then you always look underneath here too, because during shipping sometimes things fall under, so you just never know. And you always want to be careful because everything matters. All of this goodness matters, right? So let's put this over here and let's see about this. What is this? This is, I don't know what this is. It's a 6x6 paper. Oh, it's all, okay, so you get 2 sheets, so you can use, 2 squares if you wanted, and then you get 2 sheets of this one. So that's cool, that's new. Very pretty colors, right? I love the colors. And then you have the 3x4 cards. It says, remember this. Stripes, plaid, or is that gingham? I can remember the two. Hearts 2022, which is awesome to have. And then the hearts. And then you put a picture here and journal here. And there's nothing in the back. It's just all plain, which is nice because then you don't have to fight with, I really want to use this side, but oh, I love that side too. You don't have that problem with these. So, chapter 3, the best part. Oh, cut aparts. So nice. I love the colors. I love Felicity Jane. I've been a subscriber for, I want to say 2 years. And I love their stuff. It's amazing. So, very happy subscriber here. And look at how pretty their paper is. For a while there, they were doing, you know, like in summer, they were doing like fall colors. So that was kind of weird for me because I love brights. But, you know, were they going to cater just to me, you know? So it's not going to happen. But it was kind of like, oh man, I really missed the brights. But the fall colors were beautiful. I mean, the whole line is beautiful. So I don't mind at all. It's just that when they do their brights, they do their brights. It's really, really pretty stuff. This one's really pretty. This is subtle. This is a very subtle color. I love it. It's so easy to work with their stuff because it's so inspiring just when you touch it, you know. This one has a little scallop border. You can cut it off if you don't want to because it's basically like the trim, like, you know, because it's like a little over 12 by 12, I believe. So you can cut that off if you don't want it. And you get these too. I love it. So that was Felicity Jane and the Stamps of Life. All right, guys, take care. Bye.